Now students, see here, write in expanded form. So this we have to write in expanded form. Then how to write in expanded form already we discussed. So here 54. So what is expanded form of this 54? 5 tenths means 50 plus 4. 50 plus 4 is 54. Here 6 4 64. 64 in expanded form. 64 means 60 plus 4. 64. 87 is 80 plus 7. 87. 80 plus 7, 87. Then 55. 50 plus 5, 55. 70. 70 means 70 plus 0 tenths. Okay. There is no 1, 2, 3 in ones place. So 0 tenths we have to write. How to write 70? 70 plus 0. In ones place 0 is there. That 0 we have to write. Then 91. 90 plus 1, 91. 90 plus 1, 91. This is in expanded form. This is in expanded form. Now, count the bits and write the number. So, here the abacus, first we have to count number of bits. So, then afterwards we have to write the number. First, in tens place how many bits were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means 9 tenths. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 9 tenths, 4 ones. That is 94. 94. Then after that, how many bits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tenths. Okay. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. 7 tenths and 6 ones. 7 tenths, 6 ones. 76. 76. Okay. If 6 is there, you have to write 6. If 5 is there, you have to write 5. Then according to the bits, you have to write your number. First, you have to count the number. If in ones place, in tens place 7 is there, then write 7. If 6 is there, 6. If 5 is there, 5. First, you count clearly, and after that, so whatever, how many bits were there, so that bits, that number of bits you have to write. Here, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 there in ones place, we wrote 6. Instead of 6, if 5 is there, then write 5. If 4 is there, then you write 5, 4. According to that, we have to write our number. Okay. Now, how many bits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 6 tenths. Then how many ones? Count number of bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 6 tenths, 8 ones and 8 ones. That is 68. What is the number? 68. Then after this, the next last question, in question number D, we have to count number of bits in tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bits in tens. And how many ones in ones place? How many bits were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 9 tens and 6 ones. 96. 96. Okay. So in this way we have to write in expanded form. This is in expanded form. So this is on abacus, how to write our number. Okay. Okay, students. Now students, comparing numbers. Comparing numbers means lesser and greater. Lesser number and greater number, how to compare lesser number and greater number. So very simple method is there. So lesser numbers comes before. Before numbers are lesser numbers and after numbers are greater numbers. Suppose here 50 is there. 50 is our number. 50 is a number. Then 50 before numbers are 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43. All these numbers are lesser than 50. Lesser than 50. A particular number, whatever it is, either 50, 40, 30, 46, 36, whatever it is. Before the number, before the asking, whatever the question is there, before that numbers are lesser numbers. then after the numbers are greater numbers, means here 50 after numbers are 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, so on. All these are greater numbers. After numbers are greater and before numbers are smaller. Before numbers are on left side and after numbers are on right side. It means right side numbers. The numbers which are right side of the asking means given question whatever. So that number are greater numbers and left side numbers are smaller numbers. In simple, before numbers are smaller, then after numbers are greater. So this is the concept, simple concept, after and before. And one more comparison is there, then how to decide that the given numbers are greater or lesser, how to compare. Here one number is 84, another number is 64 is given. Then how to compare these two numbers, which one is bigger and which one is smaller. See here, so here I took 10 lines in one group. How many lines? 10 lines, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10, 10, 10, 10 lines I take here. So in your textbook pencils are given. Instead of pencils I took here vertical lines. So 10, 10 vertical lines in one group. How many? So this is one group, this is another 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 group, and this is another group, and this is another group. Total how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 groups means 8 tens. 8 tens. 8 tens. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 8 tens. 4 ones. 8 tens and 4 ones. 84. In 64 also, how many groups we made? First group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group, and sixth group. Total how many tens are there? 6 tens. 6 tens. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 6 tens, 4 ones. Here 6 tens, 4 ones. Then, so by seeing the picture, so this is a bigger. So number of lines are more here. Number of lines are less here. Here we form 8 groups, here we form 6 groups. Here we form 6 groups. By seeing picture, we decide this one is a bigger. 84 is greater. So means making this picture, then how to say that which one is bigger. So whatever number is given, first we have to check tens place. What is there in tens place? Here 8 tens, 6 tens. In between 8 and 6, which one is bigger? 8 is bigger. 8 is greater than 6. 8 is greater than 6. So it means 84 is greater than 64. 84 is greater than 64. In this way we have to check. First we have to check tens place. What is there in tens place? So 8 tens and 6 tens. 8 tens. In 8 tens and 6 tens, 8 is bigger. So that means 84 is bigger than 64. So in that way we have to decide which one is bigger. Which one is bigger. Suppose one more question is given, 76 and 74. In this, how to decide which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? 74 and 79. 70, not 74, 79. So which one is a greater? Which one is greater number in this? 76 and 79. Now you check, so this is tens place and this is tens place. In this tens place, both the tens place are equal. These two tens places are equal. If tens places are equal, now you check in ones places. So this is your ones place. In 6 and 9, 9 is a bigger, 9 is a bigger. So it means 79 is a greatest number. It means 76 is less than 79. So when we say, when we check this ones table, ones digit, if tens digit, in tens digit equal number is given, in tens digit if equal number is given, then you go for ones place. In ones place, whatever is greater, that is greater. When, if in tens place equal number is there. Okay, in this way you have to decide which one is greater and which one is smaller. Okay. Now students, see here, comparing numbers, in that he is asking different types of questions. First one, what he asked, color the smallest number. Here in first question and second question, two questions are given. In these two questions, we have to color the smallest one, smallest one. See here in these four questions, first how to decide which one is smaller. First you check tens place. So here in tens place 2 is there, here in tens place 6 is there, here in tens place 1 is there, here in tens place 7 is there. 2, 6, 1, 7. In 2, 6, 1, 7, 1 is a smaller, 1 is a smaller. So color that one. So this 19, color this one. 19. So 19 is the smallest one. 19 is a smallest one. Next, in the same way, so here also we have to find the smallest one. Tens place you have to check first. 5, 6, 8, 4. Here 5 is there in 53, 5. In 64, 6 is in tens place. In 82, 8 in tens place. In 41, 4 in tens place. It means 5, 6, 8, 4. 4 is the least one. 4 is the least one. So color this 41. Okay. This 41 you have to color. 41. This is our smallest one. Okay. Now, in the next second bit, encircle the largest number. Here largest number we have to encircle, means we make a circle. Okay, largest one. The same pattern, tens place we have to check first. Here 5 is there, 9, 4, 6. In 58, 5 is in tens place. In 93, 9 in tens place. In 46, 4 in tens place. In 64, 6 in tens place. 5, 9, 4, 6. 4 is the smallest one and 9 is the largest one. So largest one we have to circle, that is 93. Circle this 93. Now the same here. So in 21, 2 in tens place. In 42, 4 in tens place. In 73, 7 in tens place. In 98, 9 in tens place. So in 2, 4, 7, 9. 9 is the largest one. So circle that 98. This is your largest number. Okay. In this way we have to decide which one is largest and which one is smallest. First you go through your tens place. In tens place, whatever is the smallest, that is your smallest number, and whatever is the biggest, that is the largest number. Okay. Now ordering the numbers. Here some numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4 in 4 rows. This is in first, second, third, fourth row. In this fourth row, so we have to write these numbers in order. So how? We start with the smallest one first. So in these 4 numbers, we have to take the smallest one in these 4. What is the smallest one? That we have to write first. The smallest one, the single digit number is the smallest one, 4. 4 is the smallest one. Then after that, tens digit you have to check. 5, 4, 5. In 5, 4, 5, 4 is a smaller. Then next 42. Then in these two, in tens place 5 and 5 is there. If in tens place equal is there, then you go for the next ones place 6 and 5. 5 is a smaller, so 55 we have to take next, then after that 56. Okay. In this way we have to write in smallest to largest number. Now here in the second row, so which one is the smallest one? The single digit is the smallest one, that is 7. 7 is the smallest one. Then after that tens digit you have to check 3, 6, 2. In 3, 6, 2, 2 is a smaller. The next one is 24. Then after 2, 3 will come 30. Then after that 63, 6. So this is in order. Okay. Now after that, in this row we have to check first which one is the smallest. Here all are 2 digit numbers, so we have to check a tens place 2, 4, 6, 9. In 2, 4, 6, 9, 2 is the smallest one. So we have to take 23 first, then after that 40, then after that 6, 68, then after that 98, 91. Already it is in order only given. So the last row, in this row 7 is a single digit number, that is the smallest one, that we have to take first, that is the smallest one. In the remaining one we have to check what is there in tens place. 2, 6, 5 means 2 is the smallest, 20 will come first, then after that 5, 54, then after that 6, 68. So the from smaller to bigger we have to write, so in this way, if single digit number is there, that is the smallest, so that we have to take first. Okay. Now so here, so we start from smallest to largest. So this is the reverse of, means opposite to this one. So means we start from largest to smallest we have to write, largest to smallest we have to write. Next 9, 27, 99 and 69. Here, so 9 is a single digit number, that is the smallest one. First we have to check the largest one. See in tens place what is there, 6, 9, 2. 9 is a bigger, so 99 first, then after that 6, 69, then after that 2, 27, after at last single digit number, that is the smallest one. The first row is over, this row is over. Then in second row, so which one is the biggest one, first we decide. First you see in tens place 4 is there, 6, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 6 is a largest one, and after that 4, 41, and after that 3, 3 means 30, after that 2 means 23. Okay. So next 4, 59, 14 and 64. 4 keep aside, that will come last, that is a single digit number. In these 3 we have to decide which one is largest. 4, 1, 6, 6 is the largest, it means 64 first, after that 5, 59, after that 1 means 14, after that single digit number we have to write. Then in this all are 2 digit numbers, so first we have to check tens place. 7, 4, 5, 8. 8 is a bigger, that is 85. After that 7 means 70. After that 5 means 52. After that 4 means 45. So in this way, so we have to arrange from smaller to bigger and bigger to smaller. Okay. Yes students. See here, so we have to keep this greater than, less than or equal to symbols. Greater than, this is greater than symbol, this is less than symbol, this is equal to symbol. So now here 91 and 27. So first what is there in tens place, 9 and 2. 9 and 2, 9 is a greater, it means 91 is greater than symbol we have to use, 27. Then after that 84 and 65. See in tens place 8 is there and 6 is there. In between 8 and 6, 8 is greater. 8 is greater than 65, 84 is greater than 65. Then after that 81, 47. In tens place 8 is there, in tens place 4 is there. So, 8 is greater, means 81 is greater than 47. 69, 75. 6 in tens place 6 is there and tens place 7 is there. 6 is less than this 7. 69 is less than 75. Then here 68 and 68 both are equal, equal symbol we have to keep. Okay. Now 36, 52, 3 in tens place, 5 in tens place. 3 is less than, means 36 is less than 52. So, in this way we have to keep less than and greater than symbols. Okay. Now, here in words it is given, first you have to write in numerals and after that you decide. 94 means 94, 94. 41, 41, 41, 41, 41. Now you compare. In tens place 9 is there, in tens place 4 is there. It means 9 is bigger. That means 94 is greater than 41. Then 50, 50, 50. Then 15, 1, 5, 15. Now what is there in tens place? 5. In tens place 1. 5 and 1, 5 is bigger, means 50 is greater than 15. Now 65, 65, 65. Here 65, 65, 65. Both are equal. Both are equal to symbol. Now 69, 69, 69. 65, 65, 65. Now you check which one is greater. First in tens place 6 and 6 is there, both are equal. So, if in tens place equal numbers are given, then you check in ones place 9 and 5. In ones place 9 is given, in ones place 5 is there. So, in 9 and 5, 9 is greater. It means 69 is greater than 65. 69 is greater than 65. Okay, students.